हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बिमला मैम ब्लॉग। आज के इस ब्लॉग में मैं लेकर आई हूँ श्री गुरु राम राय पब्लिक स्कूल बजरूर में साइंस और मैथ के एग्जीबिशन की एक वीडियो। सबसे पहले सभी पेरेंट्स का मैं हार्दिक धन्यवाद करती हूँ। यह कला प्रदर्शनी हमारे लिए इसलिए भी खास है क्योंकि यह पूरी तरह से हमारे छात्रों के प्रयासों का नतीजा है। सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि उनके दिमाग में बहुत बड़े बड़े विचार हैं और साथ ही एक भटका हुआ दिमाग भी है, जिसे अगर सही तरीके से चैनलाइज किया जाए तो कला के क्षेत्र में वो अपना स्कूल का और माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करने में पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। इस विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी में काफी संख्या में छात्र छात्राओं ने भाग लेकर अपनी प्रतिभाओं का प्रदर्शन किया। विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी में विभिन्न तरह के आकृति बनाकर विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में हो रहे विकास को दर्शाया गया। अपने संबोधन में अतिथियों ने बच्चों को पढ़ाई के साथ विज्ञान क्षेत्र में भी आगे बढ़ने की नसीहत दी। प्रिंसिपल सर मिस्टर प्रदीप रतन शर्मा जी के गाइडेंस में हो रही ये साइंस और मैथ की प्रदर्शनी ने बच्चों को बहुत ही उत्साहित किया है। बच्चों के द्वारा साइंस टीचर, मैथ्स टीचर, प्रिंसिपल सर और वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम के बैग गिराकर उनका स्वागत किया गया और उनके साथ पिक्स खिंचवाई गई। सबसे पहले प्रिंसिपल सर बच्चों से क्वेश्चनिंग करते हुए
My name is Nafrita Kaur and she is Harneet Kaur. Firstly, I am going to explain about this mathematics model. So this is a model of quadrilateral and a closed figure with four sides is called quadrilateral. So firstly, this is sphere. A figure whose four sides are equal and all angles are right angle is called square. Area of square is side square. So this is a rectangle. A figure whose opposite sides are equal and all angles are right angle is called rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So this is parallelogram. A figure whose opposite sides are equal and parallel is called parallelogram.
And what is the formula of parallelogram?
Parallelogram, base into height.
Okay. And last one figure is?
Rhombus.
And formula?
Half into d1 into d2.
Okay. Good.
Diagonal 1 and d2. Diagonal 1 into d2 times 2.
Have you made this model yourself?
Yes, ma'am. We both make this together.
Thank you, beta.
I'm Smriti Kaur and she is my friend Simranpreet Kaur and we are from class 10. So let's start. This project is about how farmers store his food. It shows different parts of a farm where we get our food from. This is a storage room where food is kept safe until it's needed. This area has different types of plants growing together like fruits and vegetables. This is the field where sunflowers are grown, fruit trees. This is the field where fruit like apple or mango are grown. This is a biogas plant which creates waste heat and renewable energy resources like cooking and heating, electric. Let me tell you about what are laws of exponents. Exponents are shortcut for repeating multiplication. For example, 2 raised to power 3 written as 2 cubed. It means 2 multiply itself 3 times. Laws of exponent are like rules.
Tell me how the biogas plant is beneficial and healthy.
It can improve air quality and reduce pollution and it also used in cooking and
What's your project?
volcano.
Okay. What is your volcano?
Volcano is a my name is Prabhu and my friend is Harjot. I was studying 6th class. We both created a model. Its name is volcano.
इसको रखो कि बाकी जो बाद में भी
हाथ को लगे हाँ जी पूरा
Hi, how are you? And we are students of class 7. I am
and now give your introduction.
My name is Mansinder Kaur and she is my friend Christina. Today we are here to explain about our science model and maths model. Our science model's topic is acid rain. Acid rain accumulates to living beings. It is one of the mechanisms of evolution. The burning of fuels react with oxygen in the air and water vapor, transforming into acid and fall onto the earth's surface as rain. Thank you, sir.
And what is your maths model?
Our maths model is classification of triangles.
Okay. How acid rain is harmful to humans?
Acid rain जब होने या अर्थ से और उसमें बहुत सारे मतलब कि अलग अलग टाइप्स के केमिकल्स मिले होते हैं और वो हासिल होती है इसके कारण हमारे शरीर पर बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट होते हैं और ऐसे ही इसके कारण हमारे पूरे अर्थ पे कैंसर की बीमारी जैसी बहुत सारी बीमारियाँ हो जाती हैं।
Okay. What model is your name?
Our model is water cycle and types of cycle.
Okay, what is water cycle?
So water cycle is also known as a hydrological cycle. Water cycle is the continuous movement of water between Earth, atmosphere and surface. Water cycle has different states like condensation, evaporation, transpiration.
How rain is useful for the human being?
So because जब रेन पड़ती है तो जैसे हमारे रिवर्स और लेक से सूखे होते हैं और रेन की वजह से वो भर जाते हैं और हमारे ये
Beta, what is your project? Brain working model. Explain.
Today we are going to explain working model of My name is My name is
Okay.
Now we are going to explain you about this model. First is temporal lobe, second is occipital lobe, third is frontal lobe, fourth is partial lobe, and fifth is spinal cord, and sixth is cerebellum. Now we are going to introduce first temporal lobe. Temporal lobe memory formation and triangle auditory processing.
कोई हाँ जी
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Beta, what is your model? What is square root? Okay. What is the square of 9?
Yes, sir.
The square root of 12. Okay. Yes, beta, you speak loudly. Speak loudly. Lighthouse. What is a lighthouse? Beta, what's your model? Okay, let me please.
आ जाओ आप भी आ जाओ पापा कौन आ जाओ
Wonderful. Okay, very nice. Yes. Okay. And what you have put in the bottle?
Stone, sand, and cotton.
Okay. Okay, good. And what's your model?
Ordered treatment has
As I can apply a pressure in classes 9, her name is because of I can apply a pressure. Today we are presenting our project which is about wastewater treatment plant. So let's start. Sir, here is a working model of wastewater treatment plant. Now I explain you how it's working. I can also model. There are 5 stages of model purification of water. The first stage is chemical powers in the last stage and was the third notification by the Indian Science and there is all kind of particles. It was launched on 14th July 2020. The fourth stage is cotton and the last in last stage is cotton and this is for various purposes like carbon,
the south pole of the moon, which was very differently, and many other countries also launches their
so let's start with
कोई बात नहीं
but it's about but India can also think about first attack and it's also conduct scientific education like it's a study about the moon's atmosphere and also about water.
One angle of triangle is 90 degrees and
and it is done from class 7. Today we are representing a model on the topic of Chandrayaan 3. As you can see that, sir, this is a working model of Chandrayaan. As I can apply a pressure, it rises up as you can see. So you can also try it. So as you can see that it's working and Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission program by the India and it is the third lunar mission by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and it was launched on 14 July 2023 by from the Satish Dhawan Research Organization Center in Andhra Pradesh and it also conducts many scientific studies in the moon from the surface of the moon like study about the atmosphere of the moon, also about to conduct water resources, and India is the first country to find water on the moon with the help of studies. Good morning, sir. I'm Amanpreet Kaur and she is Simran Saini. We are from class 9. Today we are going to explain you the maths model congruency of triangles. Congruency is used to define an object and its mirror image. In mathematics, the meaning of congruence is when two objects are similar to each other on the basis of their shape and size. Rules of congruence of triangles. First one is SSS, which means side, side, side. You can see these two figures are congruent to each other on basis of their side, side and side. All the three sides of both the triangles are equal, hence these two triangles are congruent on the basis of rule side, side, side. Second one is SSH, which means side, side angles. In this triangle, in these two figures, you can see that two sides and the included angle is equal to the another triangle of two sides and one angle is equal. So these two triangles are congruent to each other on the basis of.
Thank you,
sir.
thank you. Parents are
The combination of two or more terms makes an algebraic expression. It has two terms, variables and constants. The quantity that does not have a fixed value is called a variable, while the quantity that has a fixed value is called a constant. There are four types of algebraic expression. Monomial. A single term value is called Monomial, while the two terms value is called binomial. The three term value is called trinomial, and the expression that have four or more terms is called a polynomial. So this is formula and this is solution.
Thank you, beta. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Our model name is digestive system. When we eat the food pipe transfer it into the stomach. Stomach is a large cream color. Stomach is a thick walled muscular bag that contains hydrochloric acid. It kills the bacteria and helps in the digestion of food. Pancreas is a cream colored gland present.
Thank you, beta. Thank you.
What is your name?
Good morning, sir. My model name is source of energy, जैसे कि wind wheel, solar panel, and water generator. Wind wheel produce the energy from air. Solar panel produce the energy from sunlight.
Are they connected with each other?
Yes,
या
sir.
अलग-अलग रखे हुए हैं? Connected.
Yes, sir. Water generator produce the energy from water.
How you have used batteries in it या उसके बेस
Sir, electric.
यूज दिस क्या है ऑफिस में कहाँ से आ रही है
मेरा मतलब ये है कहने का। तो ये जो लाइट जल रही है ये इसके चलने से जल रही है कि इसमें अलग
हाँ।
बैटरी यूज की है?
इसकी ऐसे घूमना चाहिए.
अच्छा मतलब अलग-अलग मॉडल
अलग अलग है
ठीक है।
सर, इससे घूमने से ये लाइट.
हाँ
Okay, and for this,
सर, सनलाइट से ये चले.
अलग है ना सर ये इससे चल रहे हैं ना
okay, and last one, no one is there.
So as you can see that it's working. So Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission in the Chandrayaan program, or it is a third lunar mission by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and it was launched on 14 July 2023 by from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh. After this mission, India became the moon, which was very hard experience for India, not only for India but also for another countries. This mission conducts many scientific experiences like to understand the moon's atmosphere and also about water resources. And as we can see that India is the only country in the world which found the water in the moon, which is very great achievement for all.
Solar panel, water generator, with energy of
Explain about the science model. Topic of our science model is acid. One of the chemicals of energy gases produced from the burning of fuels react with oxygen in the air and water vapor, transforming into acids and fall onto the earth.
From class 7. So sir, you can see that this is a working model of Chandrayaan, and as I can see that as I can apply a pressure, it moves upward. Because of the pressure, I can apply it. And Chandrayaan mission is Chandrayaan 3rd is the mission of the Chandrayaan program. As it is the third lunar mission by the Indian Space Research Organization, and it was launched on 14 July 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Research Center in Andhra Pradesh. And this mission also conduct many scientific researches like research about the moon atmosphere and also about the water resources. And after this mission, India became the first only country to land their mission on the south pole of the country of the moon. And this is a very hard and greatest achievement of the India. And this is the
The meaning of collision is when two objects are similar to each other on the basis of solar panel produce energy from sunlight. Just before water produce energy from water. Thank you. Please.
From class 9. Her name is Bhavika and her name is Vanya. Today we are presenting a project which is about wastewater treatment plant.